Hello, I'm Damian Mitchell. 4 Haitians arrived by boat at St. Margaret's Bay in Portland this morning. The 4 men who arrived shortly after 10 o'clock appeared to be severely dehydrated, weak and hungry, and said they were sailing for 16 days. The Clarendon police have arrested and charged a man with the murder of a Kingston woman 24 hours after her decomposing body was discovered in bushes along Sevens Road in Maypen. 31-year-old Semester Ellis, otherwise called National of Buck Common District in Clarendon, has been charged with the murder of Nadia Nicholson. In Trinidad, police investigators are searching for 2 men who dressed up as hospital workers and shot and killed a 25-year-old patient at the Port of Spain General Hospital on Tuesday night. The police said Dijon Broker of Laventil had been hospitalized following a stabbing incident earlier this week. In the United States, a storm packing heavy, blinding snow and fierce winds wreaked havoc as it whipped through Colorado, Wyoming, and Nebraska on Wednesday. At least 1 person has been killed as the storm is expected to push eastward into South Dakota, Iowa, Michigan, Minnesota, and Wisconsin. In sports, JFF General Secretary Dalton Wint has hinted that there will soon be changes to the Reggae Girls coaching staff. Head coach Hugh Menzies and the football administration have been at odds over pay issues. In year currency trading today, $1 was being sold for $137.05, the British pound sterling for $177.93, and the Canadian dollar for $102.55. In your weather forecast, on Thursday, expect showers across sections of north central and eastern parishes. Otherwise, it will be generally fair and windy. And that's it for the GLEANER Minute. I'm Damian Mitchell.